from Abe's Newsroom Kamegin.
Good afternoon, Philippines. Good afternoon, Manila. It's a sunny day today.
This is Kuzia May A. Kasuna.
And this is Alvin John A. Balaman,
Serving you the hottest and the most lively news of the hour. Your news, our business. For the headlines.
For the national news, Aquino remained high-spirited despite dark issues.
For the international news, Dutch police travels to MH17 site.
For the local news, Money gets blamed as fire hits 140 homes.
In science, BEMO found effective against coconut shell insects.
In sports, FPU wins over UP.
Aquino remains high-spirited despite that issue. Hers burn for the defense. Threats of protests and controversies brought by the President Benigno Aquino III and remains in high spirits as he works on his speech for his SONA. Aquino further emphasized that his determination was hard to beat and his commitment for good governance has not changed. This is Bern reporting. Your news, our business. Don't chance your dial. We'll be right back with more news after these reminders.
Clock strike at 2 minutes after the hour of news.
Now we're back. You're still listening to DZRL 847 That's Homes. Fire that destroyed 140 homes was blamed to a house cat after accidentally tripping on a gas lamp placed on top of the TV set in the second floor of a Reren house. Funds affected against coconut scale insects. Hers burn for the science insects. Special effective microorganisms found effective in killing coconut scales. In more than 300 coconut trees in a 2-hectare land in Silang, Cavite BMO showed a dramatic effectivity in killing white insects that destroys the leaves and fruits of coconut trees. For the science update, this is Bern, your news, our business.